Integration of firefighting and HVAC systems. Q1. How do HVAC systems assist firefighters during firefighting operations? A1. HVAC systems assist firefighters by providing positive pressure ventilation, maintaining clear evacuation routes, and creating controlled environments and cooling stations for firefighters to rest and recover during and after firefighting operations. Q2. What is the role of fire dampers in HVAC systems during a fire emergency? A2. Fire dampers in HVAC systems automatically close when exposed to high temperatures, preventing the spread of fire and smoke through ductwork. They compartmentalize the building, containing the fire and providing valuable time for evacuation and firefighting efforts. Q3. How do HVAC shutdown protocols work in the event of a fire? A3. HVAC shutdown protocols involve deactivating HVAC systems to prevent the circulation of smoke and toxic gases. This containment action helps limit the fire's spread and contributes to the safety of occupants and firefighters by maintaining clearer air and escape routes. Q4. What is positive pressure ventilation, and how does it benefit firefighting operations? A4. Positive pressure ventilation involves using HVAC systems to maintain higher air pressure inside certain areas, keeping smoke out and providing clear pathways for both occupants and firefighters. It enhances visibility and reduces heat and pressure, making firefighting efforts more effective. Q5. How do HVAC systems contribute to firefighter rehabilitation areas? A5. HVAC systems in firefighter rehabilitation areas provide cooling and ventilation, creating a comfortable environment for firefighters to rest, rehydrate, and recover. These areas are strategically located near the fire scene, offering essential support during and after firefighting operations. Q6. What role do HVAC components play in fire investigations? A6. HVAC components, such as ductwork and equipment, are examined during fire investigations. Melting, warping, or smoke deposits in these components provide valuable clues about the fire's origin and progression, aiding investigators in understanding the incident. Q7. How can HVAC systems be designed to comply with fire safety regulations and building codes? A7. HVAC systems can be designed in compliance with fire safety regulations by using fire-resistant insulation, proper placement of fire dampers, and integrating smoke control systems. Collaboration between HVAC professionals and fire safety experts ensures adherence to building codes. Q8. What training and resources are available for firefighters regarding HVAC systems in fire emergencies? A8. Firefighters can receive specialized training on HVAC integration in firefighting operations. Thanks for listening. Please check description for much more.